Okay, well, happy vibes. This is from the brand Ipsy, and this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag for January 2021. And I'm loving that it reads happy vibes. We do need those. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. Soft pastel shadows, your fave podcast, DIY manis. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place. So the first thing I have in here is from Machias. This is called the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. And this is 8 ml, 0.27 fluid ounce. The packaging is gorgeous, don't get me wrong. I'm assuming it's gonna be in, Icon Black. Classic. Let me show you the pack. Oh, the packaging is very sexy. Reflective, no pun intended, of the packaging. Very pretty. And once I open it, of course, I have to start using it, so. Let's see here. No scent. Typical applicator brush. Okay. All right, the next thing I see in here is from Context. And this is the Keratin Recovery Treatment. I'm assuming this is not for my nails, then it's for the hair on my head. This keratin-infused deep conditioning treatment, there you go, supercharged with proteins and extracts, restores moisture, strengthens, stops frizz, and reduces breakage. So that would be exciting. And of course, it gives us directions to apply the clean, wet hair, paying special attention to the ends, work through hair with fingertips, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, can be placed under dryer for maximum benefits, rinse thoroughly, proceed with styling. The first thing it reads in here is water, or agua in some cases. The next thing it reads is, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, cetearyl alcohol, glycerol stearate. Just so you know. Never heard of the product here, Context, but let's see how it looks. Oh, I think it has a seal. Oh, thank you. I'm so grateful when products come with a seal. It's just for sanitary measures. It smells like coconut. It smells very nice. It's pretty thick, and I'm only going to put a little bit here. Yeah, it smells almost like suntan lotion or coconut. Yeah, it has a familiar scent. It's not a scent that's unfamiliar to me. So I'm just wondering if it has palmitate, or it has citric acid in there. Yeah, it does have palmitate. So yeah, it definitely has coconut. Ah, pretty cool. I will be trying it. I'm all about the hair care, skin care, makeup, you know that. I'm loving the packaging. Look, is that a polar bear? Oh, how cute. What is this? This is from a company called Contentedly. Okay. And this is their After All Scalp Soothing Care Treatment. And this is 1 pick, it says. I don't know if that means I have to put the entire thing on. Do I have glasses? Yes, I do. My reading glasses. Let's see what this is all about. A scalp soothing care treatment. Nice. Well, especially when the weather changes, your scalp is skin, continuation of your skin. So you have to take care of it. It does get irritated. It does get dry, or it gets over oily. And you have to keep the pH balance on there. It's very important for healthy hair and healthy scalp. So I just put it there. I don't know why, but I'm hoping the packaging inside, it does reflect. Look how cute. Oh, I love it. So I guess you just spritz this on. It's a scalp tonic essence. Oh, it's so pretty. I just realized it looks like the bear, the polar bear, is holding on to the state of California. Do you see that? That's what it looks like. Could be wrong. And the bottle is plastic, so you don't have to worry about dropping it. And it does have this thing. So I'm assuming because it has this lever on it, that it's focused on making sure that you spray directly onto the scalp. And then you just, I guess, massage it in. This bottle is so cute. I'm loving the blue. It gives me calming vibes. I am here for it. I wonder how it smells. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it's not, it has an alcohol smell to it, which is interesting because the last thing I would want on my scalp is alcohol. But I got this scent and then it dissipated quickly and it smells more like eucalyptus, almost like Vicks. Yeah, oh, interesting. You know, I'm all about the makeup tools. Hello, and this month is no exception. The brand is Hip Dot. They have brushes, look at that. Very pretty. This looks definitely like an eye set, so I am living for it. This looks like one you pack on. A fluffy brush, an angle brush. I am loving it. I can't wait to use these. Yeah, this is something I picked. This is from Fenty, and these are their eyeliners. And I think one's in gray, smoky gray, and the other's in black. I just had to. I'm like, how many times am I gonna get the opportunity to get something from Fenty? You know, yeah, this is their Fenty Beauty, and this is it's called Fly Pencil. And gives you the colors on top here, so you can see. I will open, I can't wait. You know, one of these days I'm gonna do a Fenty look. I just have to get all the pieces. Like the foundation, although, yeah, the foundation, because I don't have the foundation. I have some of their lip paints. I need probably a cheek contour look. Yeah, probably. Okay, so here we go. Oh, the packaging is really sexy. Look at that. Love it. It's like a lavender. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very clean. Very understated. It's sexy. Okay, so. Oh, and you have to twist it. Okay, I can do that. And it's till it starts to rise a bit. Beautiful. And then I'm just gonna, oh, it's creamy. The color payoff is amazing. Yes. Oh, I can't wait. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. And finally, last but certainly not least, right? Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Oh, so I have a highlighter now. Yay. Oh, what is the name of this lovely Kilowatt highlighter? It's called Hustler, baby. Ooh, I am loving it already. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Very much queen bee packaging. Reminds me of a honeycomb. And again, the name of it is Hustler, baby. Let's see how kilowatt this is. If it's as bold and as bright. The packaging is interesting too. It's kind of retro to me. It's plastic, very clean, very simple. It has a mirror, which is nice. And wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, so let's see. Oh, very smooth. As soon as I hit it. Oh, it is gorgeous. Wow. This is gonna be my new favorite friend over the summer. Oh. Some people will say, why wait that long? Why don't you just apply it now? And that's what I'm gonna do. Oh. See, and I'm assuming this is buildable because I'm trying to be very reserved with this, but this stuff is gorgeous. But yes, that is it. That is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January 2022. Can you believe it? We are in a brand spanking new year. I'm wishing you and yours all the best. Have a happy healthy and prosperous new year to you and to yours. I am thrilled with everything that I got here. I had stuff to cover for the hair, for the skin, and even a little bit of glow. I am living for it. I am so excited. I can't wait to create a look with this. I will post that look either on my Insta, or I will set aside a video and do a complete look. I can't wait until the day that I'm able to do a full Fenty look. That will be something amazing. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you an Ipster? Are you a subscriber? Do you subscribe to the base, the plus, or the X? Again, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to join me on my latest video and to view it. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.